Tropical depression Grace now bearing down on Haiti at this hour. More misery there after that 7.2 magnitude earthquake. Thousands are now homeless. More than 1,400 are dead. Hundreds more missing tonight. Families desperately searching the rubble for survivors with little government help. Foreign aid has begun to arrive, but it's just the beginning. The U.S. Coast Guard flying the critically injured out, but the need tonight is staggering. ABC's Matt Gutman is near the epicenter in Haiti tonight.
In Haiti tonight, dimming hope in those mounds of pulverized concrete and increasingly scenes of anguish. Hotels and churches crumbled. So many are dead here that caskets are being driven out on mopeds.
The earthquake tore this voodoo temple right off the mountain. Now, these firefighters have been working here for 2 days now. They believe there are more bodies in the rubble, and this goes on for house after house.
One of the houses here belonged to Lucia Civil. We arrived as those grave diggers were finishing their work, and under the upturned earth, her daughter. She tells us 2 of her daughters were killed, her son badly injured. One of her surviving daughters inconsolable. She took us to her house, clutching her daughter's arm. We scrambled down the hill, and she showed me how she pulled family members to safety. They say they received no help, partly because there is so little help here. This paramedic helping the U.S. Coast Guard evacuate as many as they could fit on those choppers.
It's chaos right now. There's no coordination of resources,
including the chaotic distribution of food and water. And with that tropical depression sweeping in, we asked Lucia and her neighbors if they'll have to sleep outdoors tonight. All of them saying yes.
David, that tropical depression means those U.S. Coast Guard helicopters we saw medevacing the injured will be grounded. It means those search and rescue teams will be suspended, and it means an unimaginable night of misery for those still trapped in the rubble. David.
All right, Matt Gutman on the scene there in Haiti with our team. Our thanks to you and the team again tonight, Matt.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.